Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax in Louisville, Texas. We're going to do a brief walkthrough of a brand new 2024 Sea Ray SDX 270 with outboard power. All right, so this is one of the first outboard powered ones we've had here in the Metroplex. We're really excited to have it because the performance is great and the amount of storage is really, really good. So, standard interior on a 270. Nice storage, cockpit cool box underneath this seat, so it is powered. Turn it on, keep your drinks cold, throw your drinks and your ice in there. It also has a unit to keep that chilled as well. Nice deep storage in here. It's about 3 feet deep, runs all the way up underneath this seat, so very, very good here, as well as some down in here also. Vacuum flush head on board, so pretty good headroom. One of the nice things about this boat being as tall and as deep as it is, it allows that floor and the head to be a little bit lower, give you a little bit more headroom so bigger men can actually get in and use it. Nice seating up front, wrap around, flip down armrest is a good touch. Fully finished fiberglass storage underneath both of these seats that can double as coolers. They do have a drain in the bottom that'll just drain directly out, which makes it nice. Bow block off door as well. This one did come with a digital dash, so touchscreen SIMRAD, so GPS, fish finder, downscan sonar, forward-looking navigation, all the stuff you're going to want is going to get run right through here. Nice and easy, pinch to zoom, touch to drag, like having a tablet screen right here in the middle of your dash. Big pair of Fusion tower cans. Oversized bimini top, does have the tower that folds, so just remove 2 levers. This will fold down to about this height for a little bit lower storage if you keep the boat, you know, hanging in a lift on a cradle, or if you've got a lower garage door to get it in the storage at your storage facility. Great place to, great way to get that tower down. Nice sized in-floor storage, but the best storage on board this boat is back here in the back. Because it's an outboard powered boat, there's no engine in here. So imagine having a car with no engine in the front. It's like having a trunk in the back and a trunk in the front. All of this becomes extra storage, which is absolutely fantastic. And this one does have the new 300 horsepower Mercury V8 on it. So if you've got any questions about this or any of the other boats you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.